Hello, future scientists. Welcome to 3D Questions from Steamspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, here to navigate through the energizing world of electrical circuits with you. If you're just starting, make sure to check out our linked resources to enhance your foundational knowledge. Let's get ready to engage with today's hands-on exploration. We prepared a circuit that includes a power source, a light bulb, a heater, and a speaker, each connected with its own switch. This setup enables you to control and observe the effects of electrical paths being altered. Your challenge is to operate the switches for the light bulb, the heater, and the speaker, observing the outcomes of opening or closing these switches. Here's your question. What will happen if you toggle the switch for the light bulb or the speaker? Choose two correct outcomes based on your understandings of how the circuit operates and think about why these outcomes occur. The answer choices are as follows. A. Opening the switch to the light bulb will cause the bulb to turn off. Think about it. The role of the switch in controlling electricity flow to the light bulb and what happens when this flow is interrupted. B. Opening the switch to the speaker will stop the sound immediately. Think about it. How the speaker converts electrical energy into sound and the effects of suddenly cutting off its power supply. C. Opening the switch to the heater will make the light bulb shine brighter. Think about it. The implications of removing a high-load device like the heater on the brightness of the light bulb in a parallel setup. D. Disconnecting the heater will increase the volume of the sound from the speaker. Think about it. How the distribution of electrical power changes when you remove a significant load and how that affects other devices like the speaker. As we wrap up today's session, reflect on how each component's operation impacts others in the circuit. So go ahead and write down your observations and prepare to discuss how and why the outcomes occurred based on your manipulations in your level up workbooks. Keep your curiosity alive as we continue exploring the dynamic world of electricity.